What's one English phrase you need to stop using at work because it makes you sound unsure?
Welcome to Winds of Thought. Today, you'll master a different way to speak confidently in just 15 minutes.
You're about to go through a powerful 3-step training that will change how you handle stressful conversations.
Here's our method. First, we'll tune your ear with an immersive listening story.
Second, we'll decode the key phrases that native speakers actually use.
Third, you'll build muscle memory with speaking drills and shadowing.
Are you ready to train your brain?
Let's begin.
Part 1. Contextual listening.
You'll hear a short, realistic dialogue. Don't stress about every word. Focus on understanding the overall situation and emotion.
This builds real-world comprehension. You seem really tense. Is everything all right?
Honestly, no. My boss just scheduled a sudden check-in for this afternoon.
I'm spiraling. I'm sure I've made a huge error.
Hold on, don't invent a disaster before you have the facts.
It could be about the new project launch or just a routine update.
I hope so, but last Monday I emailed an incorrect proposal to one of our main customers.
I can't stop thinking about it.
Or maybe she needs your input on something else entirely. Supervisors do that.
Try not to let your imagination take over before you know what's happening.
Yeah, you're probably right. I should relax and actually listen to what she says first.
Exactly. Let me know how it goes after the meeting, okay?
I will. Thanks for helping me see it clearly.
Excellent. You've just given your brain valuable listening input.
Now, let's unlock the powerful vocabulary hidden in that conversation. This is where your active word bank expands.
Part 2. Vocabulary Decoded.
I'll explain 3 practical, high-impact expressions. First, invent a disaster.
This means to create a worst-case scenario in your mind without evidence.
Second, spiraling. It describes when your anxious thoughts spin rapidly out of control.
Third, helping me see it clearly. This thanks someone for giving you a calmer, more logical perspective.
Consistency builds confidence faster than complexity ever will.
Repeat these phrases with me right now to lock them in.
Part 3. Active Speaking Challenge.
Now you answer. I will ask a question about the story. You speak your answer before hearing mine.
This builds quick thinking. First, did Ben's boss request a meeting?
Yes, she scheduled a sudden check-in.
Was Ben feeling calm?
No, he said he was spiraling.
What advice did Anna give first?
She told him not to invent a disaster.
What past mistake did Ben mention?
He mentioned an incorrect proposal sent to a customer.
What did Anna suggest the meeting might be about?
She suggested the project launch or a routine update.
Did Ben agree to update Anna?
Yes, he said he would let her know.
How did Ben thank Anna?
He thanked her for helping him see it clearly.
Fantastic! You're actively building your response speed.
Now for our most effective exercise, symmetrical shadowing.
You will voice both characters to master flow and intonation. I'll say a line, you repeat it.
Then read the other character's line from your screen. Let's switch roles and own this dialogue.
You did it! This focused, repetitive practice is what forges true fluency.
Every sentence you speak aloud is a step toward unshakable confidence.
To practice more real-world scenarios, explore our speaking course.
You can try a free lesson. The link is in the description.
Your journey is progressing right now. If this session helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Winds of Thought for more structured practice.
Keep speaking, and I'll see you next time.